Hey, little guy in the sink, look at you. Orangey, were you in the sink? Orangey, were you in the sink? Oh, God. Got to flush. Orangey, you in the sink. Hey, baby. Are you bad? Are you bad? It's Orangey. Orangey. Oh, you are so cute. Poopy whoopy. Poopy whoopy. Poodoo. You're such a poodoo. Look at you, man. You want to sleep in the sink today, huh? This kid's funny. He loves sinks and toilets and sewers and sub pumps. Some of them are lies, man. She's such a poodoo. Look at that guy. You a poodoo. Oh, you're so beautiful, little guy. Don't fall, buddy. Such a funny looking cat. Cat's 12 years old now. You should be. You'll be lasting forever. I don't want you to go. Oh, you're so bad in this scene. You bad. Look at this cat. He's so beautiful. Let me see your face, dude. What is that? It's a scratch on your face. Come on, man. Dude, I don't get it. It's a scratch on his face, dude. What the hell happened to you?